In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a high fade on thinning hair. Thinning hair can be difficult to blend because the hair is different textures on certain parts of the head. And you have to make everything blend and mesh well together so that it doesn't look spotty. I'm going to speed through this part. I'm just making the bald guideline and then I'm following up with that with the electric shaver. He wants a high bald fade into a number 2, so I'm going against the grain with the number 2 on top. Now let me show you how there's a difference in the density of his hair. See how I'm cutting the number 2 guard, but when I go to the side right here, it barely cuts off any hair because the hair on top is much more thin, and that means that it cuts a lot lower, and the hair on the side is more thick, so I'm going to have to go with a closer guard. I dropped down to the number 1 guard and I started with the lever open. It's better to cut off less hair first, and then you have room for error. The hair on the sides was still thicker than the top, so I'm going to close the lever to get closer. Here you see me close the lever and I begin to go up to the parietal ridge. And notice how now it's looking about the same length as it is on top. Just to create that seamless blend, I'm going to go in between that 2 guard on top and that 1 guard closed with the 1.5. Now I begin the fading process, and just like any other fade, I'm going to start with the lever fully open, making a 1-inch guideline. As you can see, this hair is very, very thick, but it's only in this area. Now the lever is closed and I'm beginning to blend up to the top of that guideline. Now I open the lever slightly and continue to blend up. I open the lever one more time and continue to blend up. Remember, don't go past that line, go right up under that line. Now I'm using the half guard with the lever halfway open because I went up to the parietal ridge with the 1 guard closed. I'm making sure that I'm very thorough with this guard because once again, the hair is so thick in this area, so I want to make multiple passes to make sure that I'm getting as smooth of a blend as possible. Now I close the lever and blend right up under that. And at this point, I'll open and close the lever as needed with this guard on. Now here is the most important part, the detail work. Detail work is where you get that blurry look in your blends. I'm using the corners of the blade and I'm only hitting dark spots. Make sure that you use your comb when detailing to comb the hair back into place, and just continue to refine. Use your mirror so that you don't get eye fatigue. The mirror helps to reset your eyes and you see things that you might not would have seen at first. So just go back and make minor adjustments until you're satisfied with the blend. And then lastly, I'm going to blend in these sideburns. It's the same steps as with a normal taper. I really hate that I didn't get the line up and show you guys the after of this video because it turned out really clean. I had back-to-back haircuts all day and I was trying to stay on schedule, but that's no excuse. I'm just apologizing for you guys. I know you wanted to see the lineup. But on another note, if you got value out of this video, please hit that like button as well as share the video. Also, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching this video and you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. We're on a goal to get this channel to 200,000 subscribers as soon as possible, so I would really appreciate it. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video.